Getting close to the end of this project, the AD-203 RM Italy small amplifier. In the last video you saw this LED wasn't working properly. It was actually a break inside of the negative power cable, the negative cable. What I've done since we last spoke is I've sealed, put wax, which is a let's see, a pure medical grade wax, beeswax, on these components. I've also put it on the ferrites to stop them moving, okay, rather than glue or other things that have impurities in them. Also, the reason why we ended up doing this rebuild was this capacitor here, which is used to create the delay for SSB, its leg broke off due to a bad joint, and it shorted out on another component. So I've now just put wax in all here, and that's locked that all in. There's zero impurities in this. It doesn't affect the voltages or outputs or anything like that. Something else that I've done, and it's a bit old school, but I've taken some cotton thread and I've done a stitch loom, okay, and done it all the way around here to tie all the cables up and neaten them, and then I've dropped the wax on the cotton. Now this is stitching cotton for canvas, so it's not going to break. However, I wanted to have all the wires together all neat anyway. And that's pretty much the amplifier as we see it now. Okay. Somebody mentioned to me on the forum that if you cut the leg of this resistor, the amplifier will, if you put a switch in line, you can create a high-low switch. Now I can't find anywhere on the net where it actually goes into that type of modification, but I was informed that this amplifier will comfortably do 110 watts after that. Interesting to find out whether that's the case. Alright. So that's what it looks like. May seem like a lot of fuss for just a small amplifier, but again, it's there. It can be done, and now it's safe to use. Thank you very much. You can do it, and you don't need to be a technician to create this sort of stuff. One of the things I'm contemplating doing is just getting a clear perspex cover and mounting it level across the top, and that will stop any dust getting into or resting on the board, and doing all of that. I've yet to just remove the protecting tape around the switches. That was just there whilst I put everything together. Alright, thank you.